Okay, so I was just playing Pet Simulator X and it kicked me out because of a new update. Let's see how it is. It says space on the title of the game. Alright, I'm gonna click the teleport thing. Is it there? Wait, no. Wait, where is it? Is that the glacier? So I have been grinding and got max fantasy coins. In case we had to use fantasy coins to get into a new area. Wait, maybe it's a Heaven Skate. No, it's not here. Portals? Where is it? I'm just gonna keep on looking for it, and I'll be back with you guys in a little bit. So, guys, I can't really find anything right now. Like, it's already 11 for me, and that's when the update's supposed to come out. If I go over here to the shop, oh, I have to rejoin. Wait, I'm gonna click rejoin. Wait, the server is closing. Okay, I'm gonna click rejoin. Okay, so guys, I'm just loading into the game, and I'm really hyped for this update. What is it gonna be? What is it like? Tech World, Dark Matter pets, 22 new pets, 4 new eggs, AFK chests, new achievements, new boosts, magic egg pass. What's that supposed to be? Pet refresh. No idea what that is. Pet collection tier 4. Interference updates. Huge performance boost. And more. Wait, let's go check the shop. I want to see what's in it. Wait, first let's check the new quests. Oh, dress up. Circuit break the giant on tech chest. That's not going to be too hard. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm gonna see if there's where's the new mythical? Oh, that's one of the new mythicals. And those, holy bucket. Oh, wait, I gotta go check this out. I'm guessing it's at the glacier. Oh! Wait. Is that the glacier? I'm gonna check the glacier. Oh, it's only 7.5 billion. Oh, that's easy. What? What? 5 quadrillion? What? How? Alright, I'm not gonna try to get that. I'm not gonna be able to get it by myself. I need to go through. Oh, high tech, bro. Wait, did I get a pet from that? It might have been like the pocket. No, I don't think I did. Oh, this place is sick. Oh, those chests are weird. What? Oh my gosh. This is insane. I don't know. I'm gonna try to buy one of these. I want to see how good they are. So, how good are these things? Wait, I need a quick. Wait, what's this? The boost bundle. 3 ultra lucky, 5 triple coins, 7 super lucky, and 5 triple damage? What? They're triple damage? Oh, that's 30 minutes? What? Oh, dang, I should have collected my, daily rewards. How good are these? 35 million? It's not that good, but wait, let me put that royalty. Oh, Tech Coins V. That's not bad. I'm see how good these are once I be able to get there. Oh, tech chest. Oh, another one. Hey, I'm gonna go check it out now. Okay, see how good they are. Please be good, please be good. Cyborg Ducky. Oh, that's the worst one. Wait, I mean, let's look up Cyborg. Oh, jeez. Well, normal is 1 million. Like, I need to keep on grinding and get past this because I want to get to the next area. Look at the dark matter machine. Oh, that's sick. I'm gonna be back with you guys once I'm able to get there. Alright, so guys, I finally have enough to get into this area. 59,000. 33 billion. For just one of these normal chests. Okay, after this, I'm gonna go check out that dark matter machine. That's kinda sick. My gosh. Alright, now I got all my pets over there. Phew, I wanna wait. Wait. Make. Oh. Okay, so highest I can do is 30 minutes. Alright, let's do that. Wait. If I do this. Okay, how long? I can do that. Okay, let's. I'm gonna keep on doing 30 minutes. I'm gonna use all of this stuff and do it for 30 minutes only. Make. I'm gonna be back with you guys when I'm making all my dark matters. Okay, so it turns out that there's like a max that you can have in it. Because I tried to do this for another 30 minutes. I said that your queue is full. No big deal. I'm like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the max you can do. Alright. I might just do one of these just to see how good it is. Wait, no, I have to collect that thing because I just said pet ready. Claim. Anti-gravity. So. Oh, that is good. Oh, gosh. That is my 5th best pet. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Yeah, equip all my pets, so there's a glitch. Okay, so now all I need to do is just equip all of my best pets. I got the glitch fixed. Soon I should open some of the eggs. Kinda should do that right now. Okay. I'm actually gonna try to get these ones over here. Oh. Oh. That's a legendary. I'm guessing those two are both mythics. Yeah, that's what I'm guessing. For this over here, that's a mythic. Ooh, okay. Alright, I'm just gonna be grinding the coins. And this is pretty much gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys all have a good day.